I was in the middle trying to get these panels cleaned off. This part they don't show you on YouTube. And they tell you to get solar panels. Like, I can see the people in the southern parts, the people living in Colorado and Utah. Come on, y'all, let's be honest. This is Chicago. This is what Chicago looked like this past year. Just having panels low to the ground. Now I know people might say it in the comments, like if I had them on a pedestal at a steeper angle, it wouldn't be this bad. But yesterday we was getting about 6 inches an hour in some parts. So this is how it looks. Alright, we still not there yet. So although I got electric cars, I love solar, still got to be mindful of the wintertime and what that does. You got to be honest about the need for gas still. Y'all see these huge footprints? I don't even want to know who's in my backyard. These footprints are huge. All right, that's more than a rabbit. But these are mine right here. I was talking about over to the side. I don't know if that's a big dog or what. Now, for those that don't know, these are wired in series of 3. And I got 2 parallels. So all these is connected. This is something separate. That's for a separate thing. But all of these are connected. So these on parallel, so these should be good. This I'm gonna be compromised because you see how they partially still shaded. And when you're in series, the voltage is compromised. So this string might not be pulling much because I'm not gonna be able to get to all of this in this small area that I have. Now, I just threw these on the deck. I didn't want to keep them up there on the roof unless I had it professionally installed. So that's something to think about. Maybe wait until you can afford to do so or have the means to do so before you install, because this definitely is an issue. All right, didn't want to make this video too long, just give y'all something to think about if you're looking into getting solar. And like I said, I just want to be honest when it gets to winter time. Now